Travertine Floor Cleaning Chertsey, Surrey by Fabritech Tile Cleaning. Travertine floors are renowned for their natural beauty, but over time, they can lose their charm if not properly maintained. In this case study, we transformed a well-worn travertine floor in Chertsey, Surrey. We started by deep cleaning the tiles and grout, removing years of dirt buildup. Next, we repaired natural holes and cracks, restoring the floor's seamless look. Finally, we sealed the floor, ensuring long-lasting protection and a fresh, polished finish. Now, this travertine floor is revitalized and ready to shine for years to come.
Our client was thrilled with the results. We couldn't be happier with the results. Our travertine floor looks absolutely stunning, like it's brand new again.
Learn more at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk or call 01372 664 337 if you need help with your travertine floor.